You can now create insanely realistic 3D map-to-monument documentary animations using AI for free and in under 3 minutes per scene. And listen, this is the exact method people are using right now to grow their entire YouTube documentary channels without hiring animators, editors, or voice actors.
So let me show you how I made a full AI documentary about the Great Wall of China.
Stick with me to the end because the last step is what makes the whole thing actually look like a real documentary.
Before we create anything visual, we need the story. Open ChatGPT and type, write a short, engaging 60-second documentary script on the history of the Great Wall of China. Keep it dramatic, visual, and timeline-based. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives you a full mini documentary. Then ask, break this script into scene-by-scene segments for animation. For each scene, write a visual description that matches a 3D cinematic documentary style. ChatGPT will now give you scene numbers, descriptions, actions, transitions, and visual cues. This becomes the backbone of your entire video. Now we take the scenes and convert them into 3D text-to-video prompts. Tell ChatGPT, rewrite each scene as a 3D cinematic text-to-video prompt. Use detailed camera movement, atmospheric lighting, and environmental storytelling. Use miniature landscape growth animation only when the scene shows construction or development. That last instruction is important. It keeps your animations from looking weird or overdone. You'll now have polished prompts for every scene of your documentary. Copy the prompt for scene 1, open Grok, switch to video mode, and choose your aspect ratio. I recommend 16:9 for YouTube. Paste the prompt and hit generate. Grok will create your first 3D growth animation, preview it, download it, and boom, scene 1 is done. Now repeat for scene 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to the end of the documentary. Each scene takes only a few seconds to generate. Now it's time to give the story a voice. Go to openai.fm on your browser, paste your full script, and choose your voice. I recommend Ash, set to a documentary and historical tone. True crime buff will do for this type of narration. Listen to your voiceover, then download it. Now open your editor, CapCut, Premiere, VN, anything works. Import your clips and your voiceover. Drag all the scenes onto the timeline. Most AI clips won't be a perfect 16:9 fit, so scale them to fit accordingly. Now sync each clip with the narration. Speed up, slow down, trim, and cut between scenes for pacing. The trick is to match the visuals to the story beat by beat. Once everything is aligned, your full AI documentary video is done. Now preview it.
Imagine standing on a ridge of stone that stretches beyond the horizon. A wall so massive, it rewrote the geography of power. Our story begins 2,300 years ago, in 221 BCE, when China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang, orders scattered regional walls to be linked into a single defensive spine, an obsession fueled by fear of northern invasions. Workers, soldiers, and farmers labor through brutal winters and scorching summers, stacking earth and stone by hand. Many never return. Around 100 BCE, the wall expands westward. Along the Silk Road, watchtowers rise like stone lighthouses, guiding caravans and guarding imperial wealth. The wall becomes more than defense. It becomes a border between worlds. Fast forward to the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644. This is the wall as we recognize it today. Millions of bricks, fortified passes, sweeping battlements engineered to stop the mighty Mongol armies. Every torch signal, every arrow slit, every winding curve becomes part of a colossal military machine. And now, today, the Great Wall stands as a symbol of endurance. Not a single wall, but centuries of construction, layered by generations who believed that some things are worth protecting at any cost.